Okay, f of x equals 4x cubed plus 5x squared minus 10x plus 4a. A is a constant. Given x minus a is a factor of f of x, show that blah blah blah. Okay, part A. If x minus a is a factor, that implies that f of a will be equal to 0. So therefore, we can say that 4a cubed plus 5a squared minus 10a plus 4a equals 0. So therefore, we have 4a cubed plus 5a squared minus 6a equals 0. And therefore, we can say that a times 4a squared plus 5a minus 6 equals 0. So that's part A, because that's what they want. Part B, hence find the value of a. Well, a is either 0, we just got to solve this equation. A is either 0 or 4a squared plus 5a minus 6 equals 0. This may or may not factorise, but just in case it doesn't, I'll use the formula. That's going to be minus 5 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 25, minus 4 times 4 times minus 6, all divided by 2 times 4, which will be 8. So a is equal to minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 plus 96 all over 8, which is equal to minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 121 over 8, which is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 11 over 8. So there are two answers. One is 3/4, because it's going to be 6 over 8, and the other one is minus 2, because it will be minus 16 over 8. Now, we are given that a is a positive constant, so therefore a must be the 3/4. And that's the answer. Part C, use our... we've done part 1. That was part 1. Part 2, use algebra to find the exact solutions of the equation f of x equals 3. F of x is... we can see it at the top. F of x is this. So we've got to go 4x cubed plus 5x squared minus 10x plus 4a. Well, we know what a is now. A is 3/4. Well, 4 times 3/4 is 3. And that's equal to 3. F of x equals 3. So we've got to solve the equation 4x cubed plus 5x squared minus 10x equals 0. Well, that's quite easy. X, 4x squared plus 5x minus 10 equals 0. So therefore, either x is equal to 0. We're in a similar scenario as we were earlier up there. X is either 0 or x will be, I'm going to solve the equation using the formula again, minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 4 times 4 times minus 10 all over 2 times 4, which is equal to minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 plus 160 all over 8. So our answers will be, therefore x is either 0 or x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 185 divided by 8. I don't think 185, what's that, 20? Oh, hang on, it's 27, isn't it? No, it's not, it's 37. No, well, that's the answer then. Okay, that's the answer to that question.